Hello and welcome, I am the Soul Enchantress. Here is the shocking truth on how to step into a new version of you. So I'm recording this message at a brand new phase, and as I step into a brand new phase personally as a professional sorceress, seer, and shaman and manifestation mentor. And also I have stepped into a new phase of my business growth. So in so many different times and at different stages of my evolution, as well as my business's evolution, I've had many people step forward and say, and these are really successful people, step forward and say that the decision that I've made or am about to make when I create changes in order to evolve and grow are going to be detrimental either to my journey or detrimental especially to my business. But each time, if my soul has led me to something, I take the risk, I take the leap, and I jump and I create the changes. Now, this message is for anyone who is totally and utterly ready to step into a new version of you, a new version of yourself that is more powerful, that is more successful, that is more loving, that is more excited, that is more fulfilled, and that is more blissful than you have ever been. If you are ready to step into a new version of you, and in doing so, in taking the risk, in taking that leap, in actually jumping and in actually creating the internal changes, you are also going to transform your entire life, your relationships, your money flow, your business, your career, and your entire life. And that includes everything that is included in your life, whether it is your health, whether it is any other activities you do, your passions, everything. So this is a state of being, a state of mind that you actually physically have to be ready for, as well as a spirit and a soul, which is what you actually and truly are. You are a multidimensional being and a multidimensional soul. You really have to be ready where you are done with the garbage. You are done with repeating toxic patterns in every area of your life or your business or your career. You are done. You're not angry. You are not upset. You are just done. Okay? If you are at that stage and you are willing to do the work, the internal work, to create the transformation, to become the person that can access all the love, all the money, all the bliss, all the abundance and prosperity, all of everything you desire and more, then this phase that I'm stepping into and this phase of my work with you is exactly what you have been seeking. Okay, so this is not going to be a really long-winded message, but it's purely to let you know that I'm stepping into a new phase. We're coming up to a new year, and it is a time of shedding the skin, shedding the old habits, shedding the old beliefs, shedding the old behaviors, anything that is toxic that you need to shed, and create room for the amazing wonders of what awaits you in the next state of your evolution, in the next year as we step into this new year, and in this brand new adventure that you are stepping into, where you are literally stepping into a new version of yourself. So if you are ready to harness that, if you are totally and truly ready to throw your arms open and say, yes, 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 I am ready for this, then please head over to soulenchantress.com and message me and be willing to create the changes, and I will guide you and show you how you can step into the new version of you so that your life is made easier, more exciting, more fulfilling, and joyously blissful. I wish you much joy, wonderful blessings, and I look forward to seeing you at my digital home, soulenchantress.com.